Okay, I know this is an unusual place to be, and I hope you can hear this, but I'm out doing yard work, and I had my music in for a while, and I lost my Wi-Fi signal or my cellular signal, whichever, so I stopped listening to music while I was pulling weeds, and I can hear the birds singing and everything, but I also kept hearing the sound of running water, and I don't know if you can hear it still. You can probably hear some birds tweeting, but you hear the sound of running water? So I went walking around back here behind our property looking for where this water may have been running. I thought maybe there was a burst water line or something, or some gray water being let out, which shouldn't be done in this neighborhood. But I'm just hearing the sound like a stream running, and there shouldn't be one here. So I went back here walking in these trees and got to about where I thought the sound was, and realized that the sound wasn't coming from the ground. It was coming from up in the trees. It's a bird that's making that sound, like the sound of running water. It's called the cowbird.